Hello everyone. The next topic for today is number and number names. In this we'll be learning about the expanded form and how to write the numbers and number names of the expanded form. So first example is 8 tens and 7 ones. So how we will write 8 tens means 80 and 7 ones means 7. So combinedly, which number is this? This number is 87. And how we'll be writing in number names? 87. In the same way, 4 tens and 3 ones. 4 tens means 40 and 3 ones means 3. So that means the number is 40 and 3, 43. So here number is 43 and number name is FORTY 40 THREE 3. So likewise you can write the numbers and number names from the expanded form. Write the expanded form in this way first. इसको इस तरह से लिख लो. That will be easy for you to write the numbers and number names. Next we have comparing the numbers. In this you have to compare the two given numbers and you have to write whether it is less than, greater than or equals to. This is less than sign, this is greater than sign, and this is equals to. Okay, so 6 tens and 2 ones blank, 2 tens and 6 ones. So 6 tens means 60 and 2 ones means 2. It is 62. This is 2 tens and 6 ones. 2 tens means 20 and 6 ones means 6. तो ये number बना आपके पास 26. So now this is 62 and 26. So it is clear that 62 is greater than 26. So here greater than sign will come. Next is 3 tens and 6 ones, and this is 4 tens and 9 ones. So 3 tens and 6 ones is 3 tens is 30 and 6 ones is 6. So this number is 36, and here 4 tens is 40 and 9 ones is 9. So number is 49. So 36 is less than 49. So here less than sign will come. So likewise you can compare the numbers and write greater than, less than or equals to sign. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you.